Welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Congress trying hard for straight fight in Kortali by-poll. Observers in Goa to finalize candidate. The Election Commission issues notification. No nomination on first day. Churchill back in fray. Seems all set to contest Kortali by-poll. Puts up a condition. Says will contest only if it's a straight fight. Says won't join UGTP at least for now. Two-day coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach begins. IB issues terror alert for Mumbai. 5 Lashkar-e-Taiba operatives sneaked through sea route. Goa police say Kavach not linked to IB alert. Sargaogar Sports Club set date with NRB GSA stars for Bandodkar League cricket title. GC Academy miss out on final berth due to inferior run rate. And Goan boys notch up rare victory in national basketball. Goa's first lady referee Michelle Fernandez feels happy about state hosting nationals after a barren ticket. And now news in detail. Congress is trying hard for a straight fight in Kortali by-poll. Party observer Sudhakar Reddy reached the state on Wednesday. He had a meeting with some of the Congress leaders at the Congress House in Panji. Congress Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar will hold an important meeting on Thursday. The by-poll notification was published on Wednesday. It was also a first day of filing nomination. However, not a single nomination was filed. Congress observer Sudhakar Reddy landed in state on Wednesday and took a stock of the preparation of Kortali by-poll. Jagmeet Singh Brar couldn't attend the meeting due to delay in flight. Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rani, GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar, Mahila President Cynthia De Silva and other party workers were present for the meet. Local aspirants have started lobbying for the ticket. Congress is trying for a straight fight in Kortali. An important meeting will likely be held on Thursday, headed by Jagmeet Singh Brar.
And DCC, both DCC presidents and block president and frontal organizations, everybody is here. Rana Sahab hai, CLP leader, PCC president, we are there. Tomorrow we are going to meet our workers in Kortali itself. Baki cheez, kal baat karenge. Okay. On the government functioning, future strategy, strengthening of the party, everything.
Meanwhile, Chief Election Commission has issued by-poll notification on Wednesday. Last date of filing nomination May 16, scrutiny May 17, withdrawal May 19th, polling will be held on June 2 and counting will be held on June 15th. A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari. On the other side, Congress leader and former Naveli MLA Churchill Alamau seems almost ready to contest Kortali by-polls. But he has a condition. He says he will contest only if it is a straight fight. A straight fight between him and Alina. Churchill is, however, in no mood to join UGTP, at least for now.
Kortali election contest करपाक म्हाका सगळे सरपंचले टोटल सगळो लोक केला पण अजून डिसिजन घेतला ना
आनी कॉन्टेस्ट केल्यार तुमचे पार्टी तो इंडिपेंडेंट
कॉन्टेस्ट केल्यार लोकां जाय ते पार्टीचे कुछ पडना लोकां जाय ते पार्टी इंडिपेंडेंट जाय ते पडो कॉन्टेस्ट केल्यार म्हाका सुद्दां इंडिपेंडेंट जाय पडो चोकून कित्याक खंयची पार्टी थिंगा तयार नाही करपाक आतां एक पार्टी गेल्यार दुसरी पार्टी सपोर्ट करना सो 1:1 जर जाल जायत जाल्यार इलेक्शनाक बसूंक शकना.
Churchill Alamau is firm on MOI issue. Moreover, he is opposing Mopa Airport.
इंग्लिशाक ग्रांट्स दिवपाकूच जाय ग्राम इंस्ट्रक्शनाक ग्रांट्स दिवपाकूच जाय आनी मुगे दुसरो स्टँड म्हणटा तो मोपा एअरपोर्ट जावपा जायना हो एअरपोर्ट जावपा जाय होच एअरपोर्ट उरपा जाय उदक दाबोली दोन मुगे स्टँडां हांव पॉलिटिकान आसूं पॉलिटिकान आसूं ह्या झुगडास लोक कोतालो फ्युचराक.
Earlier on Tuesday, UGDP had welcomed Churchill to re-enter the party. However, Churchill seems not in a mood to join the regional party, at least for now. Our reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
Coastal security exercise Sagar Kavach to examine the preparedness and alertness of security agencies began on Wednesday. Meanwhile, Central Intelligence Bureau has warned Mumbai police that 5 Lashkar-e-Taiba operatives have sneaked into the country. They are plotting to attack vital installations in Mumbai. However, Goa police say Sagar Kavach has no link to IB's alert.
2-day Sagar Kavach exercise is being conducted by the state security agencies in coordination with Indian Coast Guard, CISF, Murgaon Port Trust, Goa Police, Goa Fire Services, Health Services, Fisheries Department, Tourism Department and Captain of Ports are participating in the coastal security exercise. Meanwhile, the Central Intelligence Bureau have warned the Mumbai police that 5 Lashkar-e-Taiba operatives have sneaked into the country. They are plotting to attack vital installations like petroleum, nuclear and defence establishments. Mumbai has been placed on high alert. Goa police say Sagar Kavach has no link with the IB's alert. Meanwhile, as per the information from the sources in Raj Bhavan, Governor Bharat Virvancho recently held meeting with the military intelligence and intelligence bureau officials to discuss important issues concerning security of the state. This meeting has gained importance as Governor B. Virvancho is a former SPT chief. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.